Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a fully functional forum using WordPress. Step by step, no coding needed. Whether you are building a support forum, niche community, or membership discussion board, this will get you started in a minute. Let's go. To get started, you will need three things: a WordPress website, a theme, optional but helps styling, a forum plugin. I will use BB Press, which is lightweight and free. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, and search for BB Press and install and activate it. You will now see new menu items in your dashboard: forums, topics, and replies. Let's create your first forums. Go to forums, then add new. Give your forum a name like general discussion and type a short description. Then click publish. Want multiple forums? You can create as many as you like for different topics or user groups. Now let's make the forum visible on your site. Go to pages, then add page, and title it something like community forum. In the content area, paste this short code like BBP forum index. That will display all your forums on this page. Then click publish, again publish. To make your forum easy to find, let's add it to your main menu. Go to WordPress dashboard again, then appearance, then choose menu from here, menus. They click the community forum page and click add to menu. Then save it and boom. Your forum is now live and easy to access. Let's test it out. Visit the forum page you created. Then you should see the forums listed. Click into one and try creating a new topic. Type a title and some content, then click submit. You can also replay to topics and track discussions easily. Want to tweak how your forum behaves? Go to settings from your WordPress dashboard. Then select forums. Here you can manage these things like who can post, how long posts stay editable, auto roll for new users. Make sure to enable anonymous anonymous posting if you want guests to post without accounts. So what you will need before we start here, you will need a WordPress website hosted and ready to go, a user-friendly theme like Astra or Occasion WP. The BB Press plugin is free, simple, and integrates perfectly with WordPress. Make sure your WordPress and plugins are up to date before starting. Then install plugins like BB Press from the Plugins tab. You will notice three new sections in your sidebar like Forums, Topics, Replies. This is your Forums control center. Next, go to Pages and add new page and title it Community Forum. In the editor, paste shortcode like BBP Forum Index. This shortcode tells WordPress to display your forum structure on the page and hit publish. And to make it easy for visitors to find your forum, go to Appearance, then Menus, add new community page to your main menu, drag it to where you want it, maybe right next to home, and click Save Menu. And lastly, visit your forum page, click on a forum like introductions or discussions, and try creating a new topic, fill in the subject and message, then hit submit. Once posted, you can replay as the admin or test how it looks from a guest account. We want to take your forum to the next level. Here are a few plugins to try. BB Press Style Pack. It's easily customize the design and layout. Then GD BB Press Tools adds extra features like signatures, attachments, and lastly, Body Press. Turns your site into a full community without profiles and messaging. You can also use page builders like Elementor to make your forum page look beautiful with banners, headers, and welcome messages. And that's it. You have now built a working forum on WordPress using BBPress. It's clean, fast, and 100% free. If you want me to cover things like private forums, paid access, or body press integration in future videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Share this with someone who's trying to build a community online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.